Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. I am fine. Um, Canva, what will you design today? I can search on Google search bar just image. The Canva is a lot of image provide Canva what to design, what will design today's, what will design today's. Lot of information, lot of picture the provide in Canva you today design. Canva design, lot of design Canva. Just I can search on Google search bar, Canva, what will you design today? The lot of picture provided on Google. But this is the Canva celebration. I can first time the Canva login, the Canva design. What is the design? Design with Canva. Canva animation design billion of people. The Canva website. You can suggest the Canva website. The lot of template you provide. The globally visual communication platform. Today is the animation 3D design of 40 billion the valuation after the US 200 US dollar 2,200 US million dollar US fund. The artist price and exchange and stage invited from the need to broaden visual communication. Your one Canva visual and for example. What communication has earned usually need to earn is this. The virtual communication has established a universal need to template every size enters in almost an even inside. The Explain Canva co-founder and CEO, the metal tracking has been including to the this continue is grow with Canva associate in global over the last year more than 60 million people are the now using Canva. Canva four is everything from launching, establishing, reading, Bachel, which the template and support and remote and celebration design. Canva is an online software platform, the non-propension support, remote landing, and etc. design. Brand and skin will the encoding these factors you are the matching turn of facility design. The Canva contribution is in the grow and scan. Canva is rapid, sure the valuable common is the make, then the visual use and the global Robert and Campbell. The company considered the experience the sales to grow or more than distribute is there is positive entry free fall. They fish found and founding and the beats and access and during the growth and explain the Canva treatment. Then the 2,000 employees, which is the company's expecting is delivered. The Canva community has created more than 7 billion design with 100 to 120 new design create every second. Use the Canva. Very important the Canva information. The Canva or the Canva community has created more than 7 billion design with 120 new design create every second using Canvas Explainer libraries more than um, 80 lakhs template and the 100 billion design includes the photos, videos, stick audios and create an illustrator. Uh, the need to broad the visual communication and the online collaboration has been because the inside they promote and the creative explain and grow and the dependent is the workshop is easily sized and accessed in the many including and the proton and the resource and go global technology the find who are person experience the investment the support Canva matching and design the theme Adobe and question of workplace in Canva because Canva is a repeat the become the collaboration the platform who choose the template work for is the globally from the language, even the small business there are the distribution working has seen trade adoption more the quality and over the last month of year second. The found of the 500 the companies including Zoom, Slate, Press, and in the PayPal, Amazon, and is in Canvas in template customers where we are looking found to using Canva manage our global brand assets the companies. You will please the will the million. What is the millions of people around the world using the Zoom Canva will play an important roles and having helping use to contain the Saskin your brand and the marketing offer will the companies are repeat and grows and this the creative and spirit and there are silence with design. The workplace using encourage the potential have quick become one of the most popular used to for Canva with the more than the 6 million the presentation now the create cash week when under the principle being the create has more than template in the 12 month over the next 12 month canvas set and creative responsibility and virtual community the visual community uh, co- com- communication products with the new videos education the response website create and offline more than this the launch and this year the about of Canva, the launch in the 2003, Canva is a free online virtual communication and the collaboration, the platform with the mission, the every power, everyone with the world of design. The picture simple draw and the draw use the internet free in wage and runs the template design which the perform the social media graphics photos and approach videos much when stock in industry starter very simple the Canva animation the 40 billion visual fronts and design of Canva the Canva design with Canva creative lot of design template with Canva. There's the makeover. There's the nearest person adjust and write and receive the specific influencer. Simple the twin of your design domain can the however impact to front this person both and freelancer and full time everyone a person of brand is public impresses what that is the son of when do you want to research the standard and the difference how to unique says just today day of one more brand the message brand is developed in the collection and packaging the collaboration and this the system. Day to the logo, increase in the billion brands and clean logos and the system, and the drive corporation resume. The social media graphics. Admin is the checkout and social media account, the potential credit, and so will gig work and on the hard and professional send and full time everyone. One of the lookout from any option. There are the take and present policies. You can add some continuous, he's provide the action and some over he is the convert design the social media uniform and get this is in of this. This is the curriculum or the celebration and the logo. This is the project. The first time you're opening Canva design and the home icon Canva home. Canva home. Sign up Canva, create in Canva, login Canva, Canva home. Canva home, lot of plan for your design docs, website, and more. This Canva website. You can design. I can design the Canva website, my channels and personal. Thank you. Best of luck.